Alrighty, check it out. We just finished up this 2024 GMC 1500 AT4. We did a premium package on this truck. If you got one of these trucks and you're looking for this type of look, let me show you what we did to it. On the suspension, we did this 4-inch zone lift kit. Comes with spacers, your upper control arms, brand new knuckles. Check out the cross member. Since these AT4s come with a little bit of lift from factory, this is going to give you a 6-inch total height. Comes with the Fox Adventure Series shocks in the rear. Very solid kit. Wheel and tire package. Did these 18x9 Fuel Rebel matte black in a -12 offset. For the tires, we did these 35 by 1250 18 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Check that out. Very good tire right here. This is a nice wheel and tire combo for this truck. Check out the offset on it. So just a right amount of poke on this truck. Gives it that nice aggressive look. So with this lift, gives it the 6-inch total height. Check out the side view. It is perfectly leveled front to rear. Very nice looking truck right here. AT4. This also applies to the Trail Boss. It's the same thing. So yeah, if you're asking if this truck rubs, it is not. We did have to take off the factory mud flaps. We're gonna be doing a mud flap delete on this. So with this setup, perfect clearance. It does not rub. So if you got any questions, feel free to comment below. Comment your opinion on this truck. Came out very nice. So if you're looking for expert install here in Phoenix, AZ, with suspension, wheels, tires, we got it here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. Your one-stop shop for all your truck's needs.